My team and I are here at Caswell Bay today because we're working on an initiative with Safer Swansea and our crime prevention officers in relation to theft of vehicles and theft from vehicles at the car park here. So we've come up with a problem-solving exercise to tackle this issue. So we'll be speaking to water users, encouraging them to purchase a waterproof pouch which they can take their keys with them into the water, preventing their vehicle being vulnerable to attack.
All our customers buy wetsuits and swimming stuff and use the beaches, so we are in a perfect position to educate our customers about keeping their cars secure when they go open water swimming.
So we are absolutely chuffed to be on board with this campaign. So we are supplying the waterproof pouches to keep swimmers' keys and even their mobile phones safe.
They can get the pouches from any of the local shops on the beaches, surf shops, and obviously our shop as well, and it's at cost price. So whereas you could buy them for £15 elsewhere, they only cost £4.
So there's no excuse to not have one, and it's across Swansea beaches and Gower beaches.
I'm Sian, I'm a local girl in Swansea who enjoys swimming with a group of ladies. We swim every Friday morning, and recently we've been using our Swim Secure pouch, which is a fantastic device that we're able to put our car keys in to ensure that when we're swimming that all our belongings locked in our car are very, very secure. It's something that we really believe in, and hope that people will take up this opportunity.
I'm Colin Jones, the Crime Reduction Tactical Advisor for the Western Division. Today's initiative is about tackling the problem of car crime at beaches and where surfers have been leaving their keys hidden on their vehicles, and obviously then the vehicles being stolen as a result of that. It's part of an ASARA model that has been set up by the Gower Neighbourhood Policing team and has involved the Sharks swim shop and Safer Swansea as a partnership to tackle the issue.